Hey guys, we received these 10 ounce spray bottles for test and try. So mist and stream adjustable small spray bottles for the hair cleaning, plants or pet or any other purpose to use. So it's a nice squirt bottle, as you can see is a nice quality as well, as I can feel in my hands. So it's adjustable with the twist thing. So 10 ounce around 300 ml, and it have the marking as well on it, so you can use. So nice quality spray. Let me just put in some water and show it to you. So it's nice for any other purpose or any use, and the nice spray bottle. So see, it is locked, and once you just rotate and twist, you can see like the flow. So you can easily twist and adjust the flow. It's a nice thing and nice flow stuff. So overall a nice spray bottles and the pack of two, so you can use it anywhere you want.